Vivo has recently introduced the newest V series model, the Vivo V50 5G. On the surface, it's positioned as a solid competitor in the mid-range segment, offering efficient performance, great cameras, enhanced durability, and longevity. Hi guys, it's CJ from Yugatech. Today, let's see what makes the Vivo V50 5G stand out and unique from the previous V series and other smartphones in its class. We're about to find out in our rundown of our favorite features from the Vivo V50 5G. Let's dive right in. We all know that the Vivo V series lineup mainly focuses on photography, and with the Vivo V50 5G's Zeiss cameras, it's undeniably capable of capturing good and very detailed shots. The Vivo V50 5G is equipped with a dual rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel Zeiss main shooter with OIS and a 50-megapixel Zeiss ultra-wide lens. Up front, it has a 50-megapixel Zeiss selfie shooter. In our experience, we're very satisfied with the image quality that the Vivo V50 5G captures. The photos have a good balance of detail, colors, and softness. Overall, we did enjoy taking a few pics when we were outside. And if you're into portraits, the Vivo V50 5G gives you that shot of satisfaction. We honestly felt that when in portrait mode, took some shots, and used the Zeiss multifocal lengths, the output was great. Depending on your preference, you may choose between a focal length of 23mm and 50mm. Either way, just a click of that shutter button and you're served with nice shots. Now, don't fret about taking photos in low light scenarios. With the V50's bigger aura light, it's now brighter than before. That's about 100% brighter than last year's model. Additionally, you can now declutter your images smoothly with AI Erase 2.0. Aside from that, there's integration of other AI tools inside the camera app, such as live cutout and AI facial contouring technology. These features give you more creative freedom with your images, and the latter ensures that selfies appear authentic and natural. All Zeiss cameras are capable of recording videos of up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. When Ultra Stabilization mode is enabled, it limits the resolution to 1080p at 30 frames per second. Also, for those who'd like to take photos in the pool, you can bring this guy with you as it features underwater photography. You can easily find this in the More section of the camera app. Another camera feature that everyone would probably enjoy is the film camera mode. This can be done by swiping upward from the arrow just underneath the shutter button. This way, you can do customizations like turning shots into vintage or Polaroid photographs. The mode itself brings the experience of shooting in such film cameras, which is kinda nice. And of course, take a look at our sample shots right here. Jumping to another feature we've liked about the Vivo V50 is its curved display. We had a wonderful watching experience with the unit because of its deep blacks, good contrast, and vivid colors. The Vivo V50 5G features a 6.77-inch Full HD Plus 3D curved AMOLED screen and 120Hz refresh rate. Notably, with the phone's thin bezels, it made it more immersive and enjoyable to watch content and surf the web. And even outdoors, the phone still managed to offer a visible screen under harsh sunlight thanks to its 4500 nits of peak brightness. Apart from having a nice display, it has pretty good audio as well. The Vivo V50 offers dual stereo speakers and it has a nice soundstage overall. Personally, I find the bass a bit lacking, but it compromises with a loud audio output, so there's that. Now, let's talk about the looks. The Vivo V50 5G has a nice aesthetic going on. It's even complemented by its curved body design, making it more comfortable in the hands. And if you're wondering how durable the Vivo V50 5G is, there's an IP68 and 69 rating, meaning it should be dust and water resistant. In other words, it can withstand a dip in the pool just like we mentioned earlier. However, don't leave it soaked for too long as it's not waterproof. Adding to that, the Vivo V50 5G is also stronger than usual. Though the phone has a plastic back panel, it's designed to resist drops and scratches thanks to its 10-facet cushioning structure. Plus, it has double-strengthened Gorilla Glass and diamond anti-drop film at the front. Given that we go to a lot of places from time to time, I liked how the phone fits well in my hand and pocket. I find it comfortable to grip as the phone is lightweight, weighing only 189 grams. Despite its slim profile, you might not believe that the phone has a massive yet incredible small power supply within. The Vivo V50 packs a huge 6000 mAh Blue Bolt battery, significantly larger than its predecessor, the Vivo V40. You won't have to wait that long for it to fully charge as well, as it supports 90-watt flash charge. Aside from having premium aesthetics and great display, we all want a phone that can last in the long run. I'm happy to report that the phone lasted almost 2 days of continuous consumption as expected of its large battery pack. We tested the unit in PC Mark and it lasted 21 hours and 3 minutes of runtime. This longevity in battery life will surely help users in doing their day-to-day tasks for longer, like scrolling the net, doing online meetings and calls, researching, and the like. Connectivity-wise, it's got all the essentials like Wi-Fi 6 support, 5G, 4G LTE, and Bluetooth 5.4. This time, the Vivo V50 has integrated AI more into its system, and this is surely a nice improvement. Plus, it's got the reliable Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chip operating behind the scenes. Despite the chipset being a carryover from last year, it still performed smoothly and was able to handle a handful of tasks. Going back to the software, the phone runs Android 15 skinned with FunTouch OS 15. We already mentioned some AI features in the camera section that most users can find useful, like Live Cutout and AI Erase 2.0. With the Vivo V50 you can now have Google Gemini as the default voice assistant. They also have call and screen translation. On top of those AI efficiency tools that include AI Transcript Assist, Circle to Search, and Live Text Extraction, surely FunTouch 15 is making everything smart for users out there. Not only that, the name speaks for itself. In the latest iteration of FunTouch OS, users can have fun with the aesthetics of the phone and offers lots of customization options. There are new wallpapers that could be turned into static, immersive, and even video backgrounds. There are more themes to choose from, and you can freely change the app icon's design, clock widgets, fingerprint recognition animation, call background, and always-on display animation, which are all part of the updated system. On the subject of software support, Vivo promises 3 major OS upgrades and 4 years of security patches. The Vivo V50 also promises lag-free, fluid performance, the guarantee that files and apps continue to properly function even after prolonged use for 5 years. Wrapping things up, the Vivo V50 which starts at only 26,999 pesos for the 256GB variant, certainly offers a lot of features that we can use and enjoy at the same time. If you're someone who's into photography, there are the dual 50-megapixel Zeiss cameras that you can rely on, capturing nice images not just in day or night environments but underwater too. With a great display and a good viewing output, it offers a nice viewing experience. Not to mention, it has a stronger build quality and has a sleek curved design that we really liked. The Vivo V50 may be lightweight, but it's definitely heavy in power thanks to its 6000 mAh Blue Bolt battery pack paired with 90 watts of fast charging. Lastly, we have to give a nod to Vivo for making more AI features available to this mid-ranger so that users can have more fun while doing daily grinds. And there you have it. What's your thoughts on the Vivo V50? Would you purchase it? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this content helpful and informative, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Follow us on our socials and visit jugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later!